Hey guys, it's Cruz again. And this is the second video and mindset in this series that you must adopt to become a six-figure closer and to get the most out of this program in life. And this one is huge, and I'm sure some of you in here, because I've spoken to you, have heard of this before. And it is the biggest killer to results. It is the biggest killer to results, and it is shiny object syndrome. The purpose of this video is to go through what shiny object syndrome is and bring it to your conscious awareness. And I want you to let this land. The shiny object syndrome stops today. It is rampant in the world, and especially in people between the ages of 18 to 30, where you keep changing and chopping and changing vehicles when things don't go your way and you run into your first obstacle or challenge. I want to change, man. I just want to keep changing. I want to try crypto. I want to try network marketing. I want to try e-commerce. I want to try an online business. I want to try sales. Stop changing. It is the killer to all results. And the biggest thing that I can share with you in my journey is I've achieved like one of the best skill sets in the world at sales, where I can convert nearly every single person that I talk to at 95%, where I've had bursts in high ticket deals where I've closed over 30 sales in a row, over $300,000 in a 3-week period, closing 30 sales in a row at high ticket levels, because I have unconscious mastery at sales, because I've been doing it on and off for 6 years. I've been doing high ticket closing for over 18 months now, right? So I want you to let this land. The shiny object syndrome stops now. It is a killer to progress and results and deviating. Choose a vehicle. You have committed to becoming a six-figure closer. You have committed to this journey. Trust in the process. Stick it out. Don't deviate. If you got yourself into a marriage with someone, the first argument that you had after you've said forever for life, you wouldn't just break up with them, right? But so many people do this in business. The minute that, maybe they spend some money on advertising and their ads don't work, the minute that they don't get one sales call, they're off. See you later. I'm gone. No, this is the killer to all results. You need to be consistent and choose a vehicle and drive it. I say this to people, and I'm going to keep saying it. 5 years of consistency in the right vehicle, you will be a millionaire, if not very close and on track to becoming a millionaire, with 5 years of focus and consistency in the right vehicle. I've seen it for myself. I've seen it for other multi-millionaires that I'm around. 5 years of consistency is the key, and you'll be on track, or you'll be a millionaire by that point in time, being in the right vehicle. And sales is the fundamental. So commit to this journey. Focus and stick-activity is the key to making money and skill, because you get better and better and better. And I've even seen it in my friends that have started with me from day one in the same masterminds in coaching, that still don't have little results, and they've been in the journey for 3 years because they keep chopping and changing niches and businesses. And then anytime that they run into a challenge, they don't ride that challenge out. And it's that challenge that you actually run into, that obstacle, which is just a test that you actually need to overcome to grow into the person that can hold the success and the next level. So any time that I've gone from, let's say, for instance, doing like $2,000 a week, a six-figure income, to like 5,000 to 10,000, before I've started to shift up and get into my company, and then when I did my first $28,000 a week, and then the next week I did over $55,000 in my company, right? And then $100,000. Before I went to that next level, there was always an element of resistance. I was tested by the universe. Are you ready for this next level? And you need to be aware of that there's always going to be a challenge and a test to build and grow you and your character. And sometimes you've got to take one step back to go a few steps forward to get what you want in life, and know that the obstacle and challenge is just an opportunity for you to grow and test if you're true and consistent to your path. So make the commitment. You're a 6-figure closer. You're on this journey. The next level is a 7-figure closer. Once you're a 7-figure closer, you can stay there. You can live an amazing lifestyle, and we can look beyond that. Focus on your gifts. Become and potentially get yourself into a scalable business. Invest in your future. Get rich and stay rich. You won't get there if you keep deviating. Even some of my friends that have been in sales, they keep changing what they're selling. They go to a business coach, and they go to a health and fitness coach, and they go to the next business owner, and they keep changing, and it creates no trust when people find out you're somebody that just jumps around, goes to the next person. It creates no trust and credibility. People trust in you based on your consistency and the way that you show up. And success is all about showing up 80% of the time. If you show up, everyone is just a beginner who gets started, and the people that achieve mastery are the people that commit to their craft day after day, and they're in it for the long haul. They're in it for the times that are exciting and it's amazing. They're in it for the times where you're a little bit over it and maybe you're burnt out and you're bored by it. But you find ways to keep it exciting for yourself. I did door-to-door sales for 3.5 years. The same 5-minute pitch over and over and over again. But I found ways to grow. I found ways to keep myself excited, to build a team, to read books, to learn, to get better at sales, to increase my conversion, to set bigger goals and targets. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do, is find ways to gamify it, make it fun, keep it exciting, but just make the internal commitment that you're in this. You're going to at least commit to being a 6-figure closer until you've achieved unconscious mastery of it for the next few years. And then you've got that behind you. You've got the base, you've got the foundation to move into what it is that you want to do. Make the commitment, guys. The longer you do something continually, you will improve. You'll get better and better by that 1% each and every day. And as long as you're improving, this is the key, guys. This is the key. So this was about shiny object syndrome, guys. And I want you to write this down and be really aware of the flashy things, because as you grow and get confident, I get people approach me all the time about business opportunities, investing, cryptocurrency. I've got all these business ideas that I want to do, but I don't change until I've got this business behind me, until it's automated, until I've achieved the heights in this business and this vehicle, just because I'm a little bit bored. Stay to the path, get the most out of the vehicle and the most potential that you can. Grow as much as you can. And then only once you've grown as much as you can in the vehicle, which is why I've created the pyramid to freedom and success, then you go to the next level. You become a 6-figure closer, you become a 7-figure closer, you get in a scalable business, and then you start investing your money, and your money starts to work with you, for you on autopilot. This is the key, guys. Shiny object syndrome stops now.